as we move forward, we'll talk more about this in the future. We'll all kind of put our priorities on the table. But for me, as I looked at 2015, to me, it's the year of infrastructure. And I think as we look at our freeways and the congestion that is still on them, we need light rail coming to Elk Grove. And we need to make it a high priority. As I look at the connector that's in planning stages, that needs to move up and be a higher priority and move faster. As I look at the transit system we've built already, it needs to do more. And we need better pedestrian connectivity. Our trail systems need to be connected and filled out. People need to walk, and they need to build a bike and get to places. And as we build new neighborhoods, they need to be walkable neighborhoods. And so for me, I think certainly infrastructure may not sound as exciting as jobs. Jobs are absolutely critical, they always will be, but we have to have that infrastructure in place if we're going to attract and keep good quality jobs. So certainly for me, I'm going to be pushing hard on light rail this next year, and I hope that we can move down the track, so to speak, on that.